to the Halpewatte Tea Factory, nestled in the picturesque town of Ella. This place is known for producing some of the finest Ceylon tea, and I'm super excited to take you along for the journey. Let's go. The Halpewatte Tea Factory has been around since 1940 and is one of the highest tea factories in Sri Lanka, situated over 1,200 meters above sea level. The process starts with withering, where freshly plucked tea leaves are spread out to reduce moisture. It's incredible how fragrant the room already smells. To stop the oxidation process, the tea is dried using hot air. This step locks in the flavor and ensures the tea can be stored without losing its quality. Once dried, the tea is sorted into different grades based on size and quality. This factory produces a variety of teas, from fine dust used in tea bags to high-quality loose-leaf tea. If you're ever in Ella, a visit to the UVA Halpewatte Tea Factory is an absolute must. Not only do you learn so much about the tea-making process, but you also get to enjoy some of the finest tea in the world. Thank you for joining me on this amazing journey today.